So, it has been terribly raining all flipping week. And I've been waiting and waiting, and now it's not. I have a VVT solenoid. I have a BMW that needs a VVT solenoid. I got a fresh shock top. Let's go. Alright, so let's see. Oh my god, it's so hot in here. Oh! Let's see where the VVT solenoid is. Because if it's like any other car in the world, it's going to be right on the front of the... Oh, that was actually really easy. It's right there. I can see that from here. It doesn't look like the valve cover is quite seated on there, does it? I don't know who tightened that up. Wasn't me, but... So that appears to be it. That looks really easy to change. I'm gonna pop off this PCV hose here. I think, wasn't these squeezies, right? Squeezies? Yeah. And then what, we got that connector right there. Which I could probably get that with a screwdriver, and then it's a crescent wrench or a pair of pliers, right? Okay, well, that looks like insanely easy. We're going to go ahead and change that. I don't remember if I cleared the codes. I might have to clear them again. Pretty sure I still have the code scanner. I do right there. I guess let's swap this thing on and clear the codes. That's like really easy. That's literally right there. Wow. Still haven't done the transmission cooler yet. We're not going to talk about that. Alright, that unit does not want to move. I have a wrench big enough to go on it, but it doesn't really fit well. And I have some channel lock pliers, and they fit, but it won't move. And I don't have any PB Blaster, so I'm going to go grab some PB Blaster and soak this thing, and then try again. Peanut Butter Blaster acquired. Time to go and spray a ton of PB Blaster on a BMW. Alright, so let's go this way as instructed. You just cake it on there. Yeah. Now we're gonna let that cook for a while, and if it doesn't work how we like, then we apply the torch. So I went and bought a big crescent wrench. Hopefully it's big enough. I kept the receipt, so we'll find out. I think it's gonna be big enough. Alright, I'm gonna give it a shot. Yeah, yeah. Can we do it by hand? Yes, yes, yes. Oh, geez. Oh, a lot of oil coming out. Ew. Oh, get back here. Here. Oh, that thing looks very yucky. Focus. Thank you. Yeah, I should have taken a little more footage when I had the valve cover off. People didn't really like changing the oil on this engine, I think, whoever had it, but no worries. It's getting brought back around. There's just a little like pushy thingy in there, and that's it. I don't think there's a seal on this. Let me grab the other one real quick. Yeah, so there's definitely a seal at the base here. And that seal is not on here. So that means it's stuck in there. So I'm going to try to fadoogle it out. Yeah, that's not working whatsoever. Screwdriver. Maybe that'll do it. Maybe not. Maybe the seal wasn't in there to begin with. I don't know. Need to turn the camera off and look a little further in. Upon further investigation, it appears I'm just blind. there actually is, it's hard to see, there is actually an O-ring on there. I'm just blind, so I started tightening this one in. I'm gonna tighten it up and then get a little with the wrench and plug it in, and we'll see what happens. So it's very hot and it started raining, so I did not hop under here and clear the code, but maybe it will run better. I don't know. Here we go. Might as well turn the AC on while we're here. I barely can touch the gas now though, and it revs up. Oh, it stalled out. I think an oil change and an engine oil flush will greatly help this thing too. So I'm going to do that too. I mean, it runs way better than it did. It's not all the way there yet, but I might still have to, like I said, I might have to clear the codes for that actually to take precedence as well. So I went ahead and pulled the car up on some ramps so I can change that transmission cooler, and I'll do an oil change on it, and I'll do an engine flush too, and then I guess we'll go from there. So at least now it's up in the air and I can get down there and mess with it. But if you guys want to see more on cheap BMW, I'm trying to stay under $2,000 and get at least $3,500 out of it, maybe $4,000. So like and subscribe, and you can see what the outcome will be of the E46.